Evergreen trends on Redbubble. I've been wanting to make trend videos for so long, and I'm really excited to finally be making videos on print-on-demand trends for you. So firstly, let's just discuss evergreen trends. What? Well, evergreen and trends don't really go together, so you would think. And to be honest, that is what I think. However, in this case, when I say trend, I'm not talking about the PGA Tour that's currently trending or Christmas that is nearly upon us. No. When I say trend, I simply mean t-shirt designs that are trending on Redbubble and in some cases, Amazon merch too. Evergreen is when a design isn't set for a specific period. It can start at any time, and most importantly, it can last. So, an evergreen trend, you ask? Well, in my opinion, it's when a design is currently trending and that design can be considered an evergreen design. Let's go through the examples of what's trending now and how they're evergreen. Trend number 1. So why do I think this is trending? Well, let's go over to Redbubble. We have t-shirts up here. We've got over 297,000 results. We want to go over here and click trending. And this is how easy it is to find trending things on Redbubble. But remember, we're not just trying to find trending things. We're trying to find trending categories, because you can have tons of random stuff trending, but you want to find the similar designs trending, and then we know that overall niche is trending. So if we've clicked trending, we can see, hang on, let me overthink this. So your first sarcastic t-shirt quote. Then we've got another one just down here. I paused my game to be here. We've got another one. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come. So that's 3 already. Okay, if we keep scrolling down, should we see if we can find any more? This is kind of like it, but not really. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. So you can see there are quite a few different sarcastic t-shirt quotes. And to me, that looks really good, because you've got like random stuff. Like you got like this design, and then this design, and this design, and this design, and they're not really in the same categories. But this, hang on, let me overthink this, sorry, I'm late. You can see if it's even the same font. It's probably the same guy. Yeah, it's the same guy. So you can really see that this niche, right, this idea is definitely evergreen, because it doesn't go out of date. It's not related to Christmas or the PGA Tour or anything trending, but it is still trending because it's doing so well as a collective niche. So that's really cool. And it's trending on Amazon too. This is ridiculous. You can see these BSRs. You've got 8,000, 40,000, 68,000, 128,000, 120,000. You might not know what BSR is, bestseller rank. I have made videos on it. I'm going to be making more videos on it. But basically, just for this video, that is good. That looks like it's trending very well on Amazon. There's good demand. There's probably good sales in it as well. That is really, really good. So it's cool to see that a trend that is trending on Redbubble is also trending on Amazon. That doesn't always happen. So let's design this, and we'll see really how easy it is to make this. So first we have to come up with some sarcastic quotes. So we can head over to this website that I found and just pick some sarcastic quotes. And then we want to go over to Canva or Vexels or Place It or wherever we want to go and just design it. It should take 5 minutes. It's a simple text design. Let's actually try and find some sarcastic quotes that we can put on a t-shirt. Here's 80 sarcastic quotes and funny sarcasm sayings. Right, so we've got, it's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. Brilliant. That will work on a t-shirt. Okay, mirrors can't talk. Lucky for you, they can't laugh either. Amazing. If I had $1 for every smart thing you say, I'll be poor. I don't believe in plastic surgery, but in your case, go ahead. Are you always so stupid, or is today a special occasion? Everyone seems normal until you get to know them. This is amazing. So look, all of these are t-shirt ideas, and it's just simple text. Nothing else. So easy, so easy. And in terms of designing, we're going to design, it's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. How do we design it? Let's go over to Canva. Again, you can use Vexels, you can use Place It, you can use Photoshop. I'm just going to do a t-shirt in Canva, create a blank t-shirt, really simple. I'm going to go over to text, I'm going to add a heading, I'm going to paste. It's okay if you don't like me. Let's get rid of this. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's make it a bit smaller. We've got like 96. Let's make it boom. we have a design. We can make it white on black, make it black on white, make it red on yellow, we can make it green on blue, whatever colors you want. That is a design. That's how easy that was. Let's go to the next trend. Trend 2 is this one. Let's look at this one in a bit more detail. This next trend is quite interesting because it's not a specific thing. It's more of a general design that is used across many niches. So if we scroll through, we'll see science is real, Black Lives Matter, no human. So you've got the rainbow there, okay? So that's one rainbow. And bear in mind, we spot one. Let's keep scrolling down, down, down. We've got another one, human. Okay, then we've got another one with lightsabers. So you can see these are 3 completely different niches. However, they all have one thing in common, and they're using the rainbow design. So that's really cool to see that overall, this rainbow design could be trending, and it's quite evergreen. So you could figure out how you can incorporate that rainbow design into your current niche. So if you have a dog or a cat t-shirt already made, see how you can incorporate the rainbow design into it, and then you're tapping into another whole trending niche. So that can be quite cool. And let's head over to our third trend. Trend 3 is this one. Let's look at this one in a bit more detail. Now our third trend is probably my favorite. It's not the easiest one, but it's very, very cool, and it is animal puns, okay? And there are so many. Okay, you've got seal of approval. That's one. You've got, I saw a whole bunch before. You've got Newt Newt. Yeah. You've got Lord of the Cats, the Fellowship of the Ring. There are so many. There are so many different, I mean, I had more before. Pew, pew, pew. You've got, they're brilliant. They are absolutely brilliant. And I had one that I really liked, which I don't know where it's gone. You've got also O for fox's sake. So these puns, animal puns, are really trending right now. They're really good, but they're also evergreen because, again, animal puns will be good in a year's time, 2 years' time, whenever it is. So how can we go about make this ourselves? Well, let's start with a simple Google search, animal puns. We now have tons and tons of animal puns. I'm owl by myself. You're giraffing me crazy. Get otter here. Well, this is Hawkwood. That is the sealest thing I've ever heard. Whale, whale, whale. Look who was right again. You have cat to be kidding me right now. Let me know what you think. Brilliant. Okay, these are just a few. You can get tons. You can get absolutely tons. And in terms of designing them, again, you can go over to Vexels, Placeit, Canva, Photoshop. You can get the animal. You can do a simple text like a ribbon or whatever. It doesn't have to be too complicated because the thing that's going to sell that design is the pun, not the design. So go really, really simple with those designs. And it's trending and it's evergreen because animal puns aren't here for now. They will still be funny in a year's time. They'll still be funny in 10 years' time. That's why I think it's evergreen. I also think it's trendy because it's trending now. What will you do? Firstly, I really like this format of video talking about trends. And if you want me to make more videos talking about trends weekly, monthly, daily, you name it, let me know in the comments because I really want to make more trend videos. It's such a fun format and it directly impacts you because you can go and make money using these trends. Secondly, these trends are super easy to get in on. The designs aren't too complicated as you've seen in this video, so give it a go. And lastly, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I cannot wait to bring you more videos.